Alright guys, this is the deleted scenes from that badass clay Rancho ride. I usually only post stuff like this on the Patreon page, but I figured I'd tease you guys with it to be a dick. Just kidding. But it's a lot of really good footage. I just didn't want to make the other video way too long. You might see a few repeated clips throughout here, but what I tried to do was give you the opposite perspective. So this was a multi-cam shoot. We had 3 cameras going, so I took a lot of one camera that was the best angles, put it in the other videos, and these are like the secondary angles that were still really good. Also, some stuff I just left out because it wasn't as exciting, but this video, I just watched it again, and it's awesome. So, hope you guys enjoy the extra footage. If you like this stuff, get on the Patreon page and support the channel. Thanks, like, and subscribe. Go for it. What's the worst that could happen? Damn, what a machine! Damn! I did not think you were going to go through that. I'll try this one. Here. Yeah, turn more up here. This seems hard. Grab on this side. All the way up on the bank. Just go, yeah, head right like that. Go hard driver and go slow. It got in your boot?
Yeah. Hard driver to my...
Yeah, and go slow. I'm gonna try to pop you up on that rut. There you go. You got it now. Straighten up. Hard passenger. Hard passenger. You got it. Hard passenger. Well done! My Pioneer just came through here and cleaned this out, so now I gotta try to creep back through it. And that Pioneer digs a pretty big rut, even without portals. Not a problem. Professional! Pioneer, get some gas. The Pioneer has the gurgle, and we don't know why yet. I'm guessing one of my boots came off. That looks good. That looks good. All right, so we got to see why it's got the gurgle, but I added a drain to my Pioneer. You can shut it off. So we have a drain. Most Pioneers don't have a drain. This is the mod I was talking to people about like literally yesterday. So I added a drain under my seat so we can actually drain it. I'll show you what I did. And then you pop off this cover. You can look down here and buried. I left my plug out of my drain. My drain defeated us almost. That was almost bad.
Puppy.
I'm fired. So we gotta find a stick to put in this hose. This is the hose I added to... Okay, so if you're gonna add a drain, make sure you keep the plug in it. Well, that was easy to diagnose. I like to use oak for this.
Why oak?
It's just a nice wood. Peel the bark off. The bark's not a very watertight seal. You want that nice brown layer. And take this. Oh, yeah. Put some clay on it, because clay is like RTV, in my opinion. And then stick it in the hose. All right, that's freaking watertight, if you ask me. Let's go put it in the hole again. Rinse that on out.
Boy genius.
Man. Oh, that's cold.
You're riding in the back of the truck on the way home.
What?
You're right.
Kind of feels good. Preach when you install aftermarket ball joints or you dismount them and remount them, you have to check the torque a lot. These are the lower Keller ball joints off my portal setup. As you can see, they almost touch the freaking wheel right there, but they're not because they're such a big ball joint. I left them on here because why wouldn't you? I had to swap back to OEM style upper ball joints because I'm running a 2022 knuckle, which is a bigger hole in here. But because there's no way to get a wrench in here on these big ass Keller nuts, just a hammer and chisel is all you can do to check the torque on that nut, and it's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the torque on the capacitor side as well. It almost looks like it's touching with the water, but there's no scratch marks, so it can't be. It's hilarious. It's kind of a small wheel, I guess, off the Can-Am. Oh, look at that. Look, that one's loose. Yep. See the washer? That's why you check this. That ball joint settled after I set it. So now we just gotta tighten her on up with our hammer and chisel, and we will avoid disaster. So this is the second time this has happened on the Pioneer. The diff lock cable in the back is getting stuck. So right now it says I'm not in rear diff lock, even though I'm in two-wheel drive, which should be rear diff lock. So it's indicating that I'm in turf mode. So let's look at what's going on down here. It's pretty easy to get to. Just fold the bed back. Now it's this little box down here. Yeah, so the cable, Chrissy, can you shift it between turf mode and diff lock? The cable is getting stuck. There's resistance in the cable.
Right.
Yep. Turf to diff lock.
Diff lock.
Okay.
Turf.
Okay, go to two-wheel drive. Turf. So you see how nothing is moving down there? That's because this cable's stuck, so we got to unstick it. Last time I just grabbed it right here, and I pulled on it really hard, and I unstuck it. But mud seems to be getting in that cable. Go from two-wheel drive to turf again?
Turf.
That's turf?
Two-wheel.
Okay. Oh! I think I got it. Go to turf?
Turf. Turf's harder. Yeah.
Yep. So that cable is sticking. That's annoying.
I'm glad it happened while you were driving.
Well, no, it's been like that all day. You wouldn't notice a difference. I was trying to drift it and I realized I didn't have positive traction in the rear.
I was never in turf mode.
You were in turf mode the whole time, but you thought you weren't. It was never locking the back end. So you've been three-wheel drive all day.
Oh, great.
So now the screen says two-wheel drive diff lock. I have mended it. Now we can drift. Yeah, try it. All right, guys, we lost my phone. Again, but we found it. But is it cracked or not?
Oh.
It was on the back of the Pioneer during all the donuts.
The reveal. It is muddy.
Oh, looks good. Tore it up too much, it's too loose now. Hey, just wait there. There's no bottom. Oh yeah. What a machine!
That's why you put it on portal.
Yeah, that's why. Look how good the Can-Am looks up there flexing without a sway bar. Oh! All right, so don't winch. Just don't winch, just drive. Oh man. Nasty. Almost ran you over, but we got it. Washing machine. Tire's way in the air. Whoa.
This is the point where I question why I hang with this fool. Oh. Ah, you fucker! It's in my boot! Ah, Christian, you asshole! Oh, I'm soaked! You're such a dick.
I think something better than this is.
Freddie, you dumbass. Oh!
All right, Greg, go out.
I don't know where.
Mine's labeled appropriately.
Out.
Yes.
Greg, look at this right here. Greg. O-U-T, out.